Hey, I'm Jeff with ParkMobile. Today I want to show you how to make parking reservations using the ParkMobile.io website. So let's take a look at how this works. When you go to ParkMobile.io, you go to Reserve Parking. In this web interface, you can search for locations around you where you'll find parking reservations available. So I'm going to go to Washington, D.C. area, where we have a lot of parking garages available. So this is showing you now a nice map of Washington, D.C. with all the available inventory in the market. So I'm going to look for an area where I want to park. I'm going to go around DuPont Circle here. This looks like a nice garage, so I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to select the start time and end time for my parking session. So because this is a reservation, I can reserve ahead of time. So I'm going to reserve this for Monday, and I'm going to reserve it from 8 a.m. To start. The end time is going to be 4 p.m. So it'll be a fairly long parking session. So this would be a case where I'm parking for maybe a day of work, or I'm going to visit some clients. So I set my date, I set my parking time, and then I'm going to click this reserve button. It's going to prompt you to log into your account. This is the same account that's associated with the ParkMobile app, so I just log in. Then they bring up a confirmation screen, so you can check just your payment method, you can check the vehicle. Once you confirm all the information, including the payment price, you just press checkout. And then basically you're done. It'll give you a confirmation. It's always very important to read the instructions on how to redeem your parking pass. Now, once you make a reservation on the computer, it's going to generate a parking permit for you. Now you can print out that parking permit, you can open it on your email, but it's also available in the ParkMobile app. So to find your parking permit, you just go into the app, you look at your activity, and you can just pull that permit right up in the app. So it's a really nice way to use ParkMobile either on your computer or in the ParkMobile app. Really makes it easy to make and manage all your parking reservations in one place.